is your boy DS Dan. I'm back again with another one for you guys, man. Take a look, guys. We got these Air Jordan 1 UNC toes on deck. I'm going to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. And before we get into this video, guys, hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, also click the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload videos like these. Very, very nice Jordan 1 right here, UNC toes. I do love the UNC colorway, so I did want to get these. I'm about to give you guys a quick overlook of the shoe, show you guys the quality and things like that. These released on July 22nd. They did a shock drop. That's how I was able to get these, and I'm very happy for that. But yeah, man, so let's just jump straight into it, show you guys the quality, show you guys how they look on feet so you guys could decide if you want to pick them up or not. We're going to start off with the box. Take a look. Very nice box, man. They did their thing to match the sneakers. You know, they've been doing that a lot. Jordan Brand's been doing that thing. Nice Jordan 1 box in that UNC blue. The size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is University Blue, Black, White. Inside the box just comes your regular white paper, and that is it. This is exactly how you guys will receive your pairs when you do on the 22nd. Now, as you can see, it does come with 2 sets of laces, all right? Comes with the black laces on the shoe in this box, as you can see. All right, so you got the UNC blue laces and you got the black laces on the shoe. And take a look at that outer sole. UNC blue outer sole, Nike branding right there. And let's go to the front of the toe box. Want to show you guys the leather. Look at that. Leather is nice and plushed and thick. You know what I'm saying? You can see the webbing on the shoe. Real nice UNC toe leather on the front. Got your smooth black leather going in front of the toe. Nylon on the tongue with your Nike Air in the blue. All right, going up over here on the side of the shoe, you can see we got an all-white midsole that goes around the shoe. A black swoosh following with the black going towards the front, and you got your blue going towards the back. You got the Air Jordan with the basketball on the wing in black. White mid panel, and over here on the upper you can see very, very soft and plush. Let's get to the medial side of the shoe. Medial, same as the lateral, white on the midsole, black swoosh, white panel in the middle with your black going towards the front, and you got your UNC blue going towards the back. Over here you can see the webbing. Now, as for sizing on these, I do recommend you go true to size. Go true to size, you'll be good to go. All right, inside the shoe, you can see you do got the Nike Air in the UNC blue, black inner sole, sock liner in black. Got your black on the top with your UNC in the back. And it's very, very plush back here. But yeah, this is a good shoe for the summertime. We're in summer right now. All around a real good shoe. It's been raining a lot for the last couple of days, but I'm still giving you guys this review. All right, I'm gonna give you guys a quick on foot, let you guys see how they look so you could decide if you want to pick them up or not. But yeah, man, UNC toe Jordan 1 set to release July 22nd. Let me know in the comment sections, are this going to be a cop? Is it going to be a pass? And also hit that thumbs up for your boy. I love all you guys out there that have been messing with me for all these years, all my day ones. Thank you all for your support. Hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the description. It's your boy DS Dan, man. Let's get into this on feet. I'm gone.